wabarakatuh. Welcome to this glorious evening, respected teachers and my loving friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. In these auspicious occasions, I am very pleased to get a wonderful opportunity to say a few words about Independence Day. Everybody knows that the 15th August is a very significant day in the history of India. On this day, our country got freedom from Britishers after a long slavery. We celebrate this day every year as a national festival. We celebrate it with great honor and zeal. We remember the Indian freedom fighters. Many of them were killed and many sacrificed their lives for the sake of the nation. Mr. Khudiram Bose, Mr. Chandrasekhar Azad, Mr. Bhagat Singh, and many more laid their lives. Mr. Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and others took part in the struggle and are remembered as the great leader of India. On this day, our national flag is hoisted. We sang the national song and anthem. We pay tributes to those people who died for freedom. There are tears in our eyes. The day reminds us of our duties and responsibilities for our country. Today, under the flag, we must take pledge to work hard honestly for our country. At the end, I thank all of you who made this program so beautiful and successful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.